Hi everyone, I'm Laura. I am one of the Ground Group's co-founders. Today we're going to be working on some foundational monkey and monkey variations. So these movements we do a lot in class and then we riff off of them, and you'll see a couple of them today, and they can get even more complicated. It's like a great base move to learn. I will be using vocabulary. This vocabulary is not proprietary to us. These moves are not necessarily proprietary to us. This is just the names that we have come up with so that we can call them something, because when we're in class, it's really helpful to be able to have vocabulary to communicate with students, but we are in no way claiming ownership over these moves or these names. Okay, let's go. Okay, so we are going to start on one side of the space because these travel quite a bit. And I am going to make a rotation by putting my hands down, fingertips to the back, and then stepping my feet around the corner. So now I'm going to go back the other way. Drop the pelvis, put one hand down, the other hand down, one foot, and the other foot. I'll say right and lefts for those right now. So have right hand, left foot, right foot. I'm sort of winding up with my upper body so much so that then my lower body can snap as it unwinds. The other thing I'm doing, if you want to come to this position here, is I am, with the knees lifted, bringing my chest over my hands as opposed to keeping the weight in my feet. When the weight is in the feet, you can't really achieve that gliding look. So the more weight I have forward into my hands, the more I then use my obliques to shift my hips side to side. That's how I get that glide. Something else that I'm doing or focusing on is keeping my feet a bit equidistant. So I know I had said step, step, but actually when we progress this, we want to get rid of the feeling that I am stepping and then stepping. I want to drop my pelvis enough that I can, and imagine there's a bar in between my bunions, thank you, many years of ballet, that I go down, shift the weight into the hands. Now keep that bar between the feet to stand. So that is sort of the base monkey that we're then going to be working off of. Okay, so we are now going to do a smaller version of the monkey. We don't have a name for that yet. Small monkey? Just a baby monkey. So drop the hips down, keep the hands close, and then unwind the feet super close. You can do a few of those in succession probably in your space. I really feel my obliques doing the work for the hips. Let's just try that the other direction. Drop the pelvis, keep the feet close, and let the chest move forward in these transitions. If you find that you are coming upright through the middle of each one, you want to instead think about circling your shoulders and your head forward over your knees. So if I were to return to the original monkey, for example, that I could go this way, where I'm going through the center. Instead, I'm going to allow the head and the shoulders to go forward over the knees, and then that will help me to do another one as well. Okay, now we're going to take the structure of a monkey, but just lift the pelvis and push into the feet a little bit more. So I'm going to drop down, let the feet go off the floor. Let's try that again. Really feel like someone's grabbing a hold of the hooks of your sits bones and lifting them up towards the ceiling. Dropping the hips down, lifting the hips up to stand.
Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed class, you can click here for more Floorwork training.
And then hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss any uploads.